Welcome to the regular Faroese News Report.
Here are the headlines we're covering today: security, business, domestic policy, and more.
First up, in our security update, Denmark is sending military reinforcements over to Greenland. Several NATO allies are also sending troops, and Finland has been asked to chip in.
Poland, however, has declined. Prime Minister Donald Tusk released this very stark statement.
Okay, now for our economic and business brief. The value of mackerel exports has jumped, up more than 790 million Danish kroner. That's a huge contrast to salmon, where the value actually fell despite exporting more fish.
In business news, a big acquisition. Blue Water Shipping is taking over Posta's freight operations.
The plan is for a pretty smooth transition. All services and staff will just transfer over.
All right, let's switch gears and look at what's happening in domestic policy. A new bill for a government rent subsidy has officially been sent out for review. So here's how it would work. It covers 20% of rent, and it's income tested.
Also on the policy front, a formal inquiry is looking into sick pay rights for workers.
Right now, salaried employees get their full pay when sick. Hourly workers get a lot less.
Next up, let's get into our workplace and media report.
A new survey shows workplace bullying has actually decreased, dropping from 20% down to 16%.
The national broadcaster, Kringvarp Faroe, has responded to a complaint about some of its reporting.
They're defending their language around the Suðuroyartunnilin project, citing journalistic justification.
And finally today, we're turning to our opinion and commentary segment.
In a recent column, MP Helgi Abrahamsson is questioning how budget savings are being framed.
Like and subscribe to PalsFundamentals for more content like this. Sources linked below.